Hello, students. We were reading the story, The Ransom of Red Chief, and in previous part we read that Bill and Sam kidnapped a boy, and they kept him in a cave. They were also there, but the boy was very much naughty, and they were unable to sleep till 11 o'clock last night, and hardly they sleep. In the morning, with the day outbreak, Bill suddenly heard a loud cry from Bill, and Sam was so surprised. He ran towards him and see that why Bill has made such a cry. It was really surprising that cry was like they were simply indecent, terrifying, humiliating scream, such as a woman would give out when they see ghosts or cockroaches. And when Sam reached there, he saw that the boy has caught the Bill by the hair, and he was sitting on his chest with a knife in his hand, which they used to cut meat. And he was saying that Bill has to be punished with removing the hair from the head, as this punishment was declared last night. Bill was so the same was so surprised. He put the knife away from the kid and made him lie down again. And from that moment, Bill's spirit was broken. He was so worried, and then uh, he requested Sam to get rid of that kid. Bill was about to sleep during that time, during the day, and when he was there, he was about to sleep. He got a dream, and he felt that he was also kidnapped by Red Jeep and was to be burnt alive. Due to this dream, he awakened. He was standing there. Bill asked him, "What happens, Sam? Why are you standing?" He says, "There is some pain in my shoulder. It will relieve me, so I am standing in that way." But Bill guessed it. He laughed and said, "You are afraid of it." So, overall, we can say that both of the kidnappers were most puzzled by that boy. They were in a miserable condition. It became very difficult for them to handle the boy. And what was the reason behind this? Because these two men who kidnapped the boy were basically full of humanity. They were not the professional kidnapper. They were not cruel men. They were doing it for their demands, and they took it as an easy task to get ransom to do something. A man who is full of humanity, is full of human milk, can't do wrong to others. Then that was that he put a red hot bird, and then again in the evening, again Bill was crying, shouting, and Sam ran towards him. He asked Bill what happened this time, and the answer of Bill was so surprising. He said that the boy had put a boiled potato in his bag and then sat on that. So um, after that, the boy took a stone in his hand and was threatening Bill, accusing him as, yeah, assuming him as enemy, as Indian, Red Indian, and he wants to throw that stone on him. So Bill was so afraid, and Sam asked him to throw the stone. The story becomes so interesting that the, the boy was not willing to go home, and Sam assures Bill that the people tonight we will demand the ransom, and this boy will be left to his home again. And Bill said that you do it as soon as possible. So, in this chapter, we see that how the boy has puzzled that Bill. एक बार तो उसको बालों से पकड़ के नीचे गिराता है, चाकू लेके उसकी छाती पर पीट देता है और कहता है कि मैं तुम्हें, तुम दुश्मन हो, मैं तुम्हें मारूंगा, तुम्हारी सजा ये कि तुम्हारे बाल जो है, सिर के बाल उतार दिए जाए। वो बेचारा बहुत बुरी तरह चिल्लाता है बिल, और उसको बच्चे को दूर करता है। फिर दिन में जब वो बिल है तो वो उसके एक पत्थर लेकर के उसके पीछे पड़ जाता है। बिल बड़ी मुश्किल से अपने आप को बचाता है, और बिल के पीछे जो है पीठ पे वो एक लाल गरम सा आलू, जो आलू बॉईल कर रहा है उसमें से एक आलू निकाल कर उसकी पीठ के पीछे रख देता है और उसको स्मेश करता है। इस तरह से बच्चे की जो शैतानी है बिल के लिए बड़ी मुश्किल पैदा कर देती है। और दिन में जब सेम सोना चाहता है, जब हल्की सी उसको नींद आती है, उसको भी ऐसा सपना आता है जैसे उसको रेड चीफ ने उसको किडनैप कर लिया है और उसको जलाना चाह रहा है। और फिर बिल कहता है तेरे को हकीकत में जला देगा तो ध्यान नहीं रखना। तो बच्चे की जो शैतानी है, क्योंकि दोनों ही जो किडनैपर हैं वो मन से दया वाले हैं, इस तरह से उनका कोई किडनैप प्रोफेशनल किडनैप नहीं है, मर्डरर्स नहीं है। वो उस बच्चे को जैसे जैसे रखना चाहते हैं कि रख ले, उनको पैसा मिल जाए, उसको वापस छोड़ दें। बिल घबरा कर कहता है कि सेम जैसे भी हो, इस बच्चे को जितना जल्दी हो सके मेरे से पीछा। किडनैपिंग जो है वो उल्टी उनके लिए समस्या पैदा कर देती है।